Some worrying statistics in the fight against HIV. Now, despite condom use being one of the key prevention pillars in matters HIV/AIDS, sexually transmitted infections and unwanted pregnancies, the uptake is low here in Kenya compared to the global target of 40 condoms per man per year. Here in Kenya, data indicates the use is at 14.3 condoms per man per year. And as our very own Raquel Muigai reports, there is still a lot to be done by different stakeholders, including the Ministry of Education and religious sector regarding sex education and HIV prevention, especially among the youth.
As the World AIDS Day nears, when countries take stock of how their strategies have dealt with the HIV epidemic, here in Kenya, a conversation regarding condom use as a preventive measure is taking center stage.
When I was young, we used to hear ABC when I was in primary school. But I don't know what has happened to the Ministry of Education. These are a strong partner whom we should bring on board so that the messaging and issues surrounding condom prevention of HIV and STIs should be inculcated in the school program and the school curriculum so that children, when they're growing up, they realize that this is one of the best preventive and prevention methods to avert HIV.
Meeting be held in Lamu.
In a stakeholders meeting between the National AIDS Control Council, National AIDS and STI Control Program, county health directors and other partners, it was clear use of condoms as a prevention method would go a long way in reducing the cost that arises from the treatment of HIV/AIDS related infections. According to NASCOP, one male condom costs the country $4.3, an equivalent of 484 shillings, compared to the female condom, which goes at a cost of $0.38, an equivalent of 43 shillings.
We have funding from ADONA and as well as government, and we have procurement of around 1.3 million condoms, both that's for male condoms, around 884,000 for female condoms. And the cost of the 1.3 million will be around $4.6 million. So definitely you can see the cost is not little in comparison to one pack that we buy of around 90 tablets of TLD of a patient, around $15.
Kenya's HIV epidemic is driven by sexual transmission, with the age between 15 and 29 years accounting for 62% of new HIV transmissions recorded in 2019, a majority of those infected being females. According to National AIDS Control Council, the uptake of condoms within the same age group is quite wanting, with females accounting for only 37.5% of condom use, compared to their male counterparts who account for 68.9%. Compared to the global target of 40 condoms per man per year, here in Kenya, data indicates the use is at 14.3 condoms per man per year.
So moving forward, we have to disrupt what we call the norm. We have to disrupt the cultures, we have to disrupt the religion, where we require them to say the truth to our young people.
With the use of condom as a prevention method message set to gain momentum, the Ministry of Health hopes that other interventions, like establishment of supply and logistics management systems for condoms, as well as addressing market barriers to create more space and increase economic incentives for the commercial sector, will work a long way in sustaining a condom program in the country. The goal being to increase condom use from the current 42% to over 80% by 2030. Raquel Muigai, Citizen TV.